Yo, what's up guys? Grant here. So I got the E92 behind me, but I got another Beamer pulling up. My homie Salif's coming with his G20 330i M Sport. He's got a charge pipe and an intake I'm going to help him throw in. So we'll get a little before and after driving that around. And then I'm going to get a little reaction of him with 16 PSI on the single. Look who it is. Salif just rolled up.
Yeah.
We just got the intake out. PCV is out. Get the new one going in. MST. Get back to you when it's in. Finishing up the cone filter. We got the intake fed through here. Hooking up down there. And he's got the charge pipe coming soon.
Yes, sir.
It's gonna start it up. Sounds good.
Yes, sir.
Looks good.
Let's spin it. Sounds a lot, right?
Yeah, it does.
Yes, sir.
So we've got these 20 millimeter spacers for his wheels. So that's the before, you can see. Doesn't really poke. And then over here, this is the side we just put the wheel spacer on. He's poking tire now.
That's gonna look sick.
It looks good.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're gonna wrap up this other side and then work it to the back.
It's, you know, out of hands. There's nothing on somebody will do. If you don't, if was your homie, and like, yeah, I'm not working with that boy no more. My whole life. Talking to him and tell him, hey, that's.
Let's put a spacer on this back wheel. And it's poking. Looks good. Here's the other side. Here's the before.
Damn, I like the quad tips too.
Yeah, the quad tips look awesome. He's got the carbon diffuser. It's clean. All right, well, we got all the wheel spacers on and we're about to take it for a spin.
Wow. The intake sounds a hell of a lot better. Wow. Woo. You can hear all the flushes.
Yeah.
Wow. The MST is the good to go one. Wow. Oh, now I hear more. Wow. Holy shit. That thing is, yeah, I think BMW underrated this car. Damn.
Does it feel different
Oh,
with the wheel spacers too?
It feels a lot different. It's like I feel it's like a little bit wider. Not crazy, but it doesn't move much. But
Yeah.
until there's a little.
A little more nimble.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 2 miles in one day. One more soon.
You get that blow-off valve and you'll have even more of a...
Oh, before my F30, if the blow off valve, I can drive all day. Just
seriously.
Yeah, I don't think I'm getting out of that car, man. From the F series to this, like the whole hood. Oh yeah, it looks hell of a lot different.
Oh yeah, I love the new G series.
Oh, yeah. The power is there.
Oh yeah. We'll launch the downshift. That sounded good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's even warm. Maybe you just needed some time to warm up.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna do a pull after this right turn. Let's go, I don't really have anywhere to go. And Salif is out. Well, it was a pretty short video, but we still got to put on those wheel spacers and that air intake and do a couple pulls in both Beamers. I couldn't drive mine too far because I have a coolant leak that's coming from, it's this BMW clamp, so you can't tighten or loosen it. Here, you can see how my finger's all wet. It's leaking from underneath and dripping down this silicone pipe that goes down to the intercooler. So it puddles over there, but it's leaked pretty much all out. So that being said, as soon as I figure out all the coolant issues on the single turbo here, there's gonna be a lot more videos coming on that, so stay tuned. And I appreciate each and every single one of y'all, so please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.